Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 3 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 5, making peace. Our topic is reading comprehension. SLOs of this lesson are: use pre-reading strategies to predict some words that might occur in a text by looking at picture or title. Ask questions to understand the text. Spell some words studied in class both orally and in writing. Dear students, in this lesson, we are going to read the text of this unit, Making Peace. Can you see here two boys here? The expression of these boys. This one looks worried or irritated or feeling scared, and this one is annoyed. He's angry. He's like bullying him or pushing him or hurting him because his face expressions are furious. He's very angry right now. So we are going to read a very interesting story. Let's have a pre-reading activity here. Have you ever made peace between your friends? How do you feel when your classmate pushes you? I have given you the task. You will have a very good idea about it because you go to your school and maybe you had this experience with your classmates or your school fellows. So let's start reading the text. Page number 33 of your textbook. Start from here, from this line. It was a winter noon. Everything was dying cold. सर्दियों की दोपहर थी और क्या था, सब कुछ जो है सर्दी से ऐसा हो रहा था कि सर्दी से जो है सब चीजें मर रही हैं. हर तरफ बहुत ठंड थी. Students were chirping like birds in the school classroom. स्टूडेंट क्या कर रहे थे? Chirping like birds, परिंदों की तरह चहचहा रहे थे, शोर कर रहे थे अपने क्लासरूम में. इट वॉज द टाइम फॉर रिसेस. रिसेस का टाइम था. एवरीवन वॉज रेडी टू रश आउट टू प्ले इन द प्लेग्राउंड. हर किसी को जाने की जल्दी थी प्लेग्राउंड में. रश जल्दी में था हर कोई. While coming out of the class 3, everyone was out of line. क्लास 3 से निकलते हुए हर कोई जो था आउट ऑफ लाइन था, लाइन में नहीं था और भाग रहे थे सब. Meanwhile, सरफराज pushed अहमद in a hurry. इसी दौरान सरफराज ने अहमद को धक्का दिया जल्दी में. अहमद fell on the ground. अहमद ग्राउंड पर गिर गया. He got his head injured and there was some blood on it. वो जख्मी हो गया और उसके सर पर चोट लगी और उसमें से थोड़ा सा खून भी निकल रहा था. In anger, he stood up and caught सरफराज by the collar. उसको तो बहुत गुस्सा आया अपना खून देखकर और वो गुस्से से उठा और सरफराज का कॉलर पकड़ लिया. They started fighting in front of their classroom. वो दोनों जो है अपनी क्लासरूम के बाकी जो क्लास फेलोज थे उनके सामने लड़ने लगे. There were a few students standing by. वहां पर कुछ स्टूडेंट्स खड़े हुए थे. They tried to make them calm. उन्होंने उनको जो है रोकने की कोशिश की, but it was no avail. लेकिन उसका कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. All teachers were having their lunch in the staff room. सारे टीचर्स जो है स्टाफ रूम में लंच कर रहे थे. The fight between सरफराज and अहमद was going unnoticed. किसी ने इन दोनों की फाइट को नोटिस ही नहीं किया, सरफराज और अहमद की फाइट. That time their classmate Hassan was coming back from playground to the classroom. इस टाइम जो है इनका एक और क्लासमेट हसन प्लेग्राउंड से वापस क्लासरूम की तरफ आ रहा था. He saw them fighting. He went close to them and separated them from each other. वो उनके करीब किया और उन दोनों को एक दूसरे से अलग किया. What's the matter? asked Hassan. Why are you fighting like animals in this cold weather? तुम लोग क्यों एनिमल्स की तरह लड़ रहे हो इतनी सर्दी में? सरफराज pushed me, argued Ahmed. My head is also bleeding. अहमद ने बहस करते हुए कहा कि सरफराज ने मुझे धक्का दिया और मेरे सर में से खून निकल रहा है. सरफराज replied, it was not my fault. ये मेरी गलती नहीं है. The door of our classroom was narrow. क्या था? जो डोर था वो तंग था, जगह नहीं थी जाने की, सब जल्दी में भाग रहे. They did not push him knowingly. मैंने उसे जानबूझ के धक्का नहीं दिया. Hassan advised both of you be at peace now. तुम दोनों जो है आराम से बैठ जाओ. अहमद you need medical care. अहमद तुम्हें मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट की केयर की जरूरत है. At the same time their class in charge also came there. इनकी क्लास का इंचार्ज भी इसी टाइम आ गया. Hassan told him about the fight. हसन ने उनको उनकी लड़ाई के बारे में बताया. The class in charge advised Sarfaraz and Ahmed that they should be friends, not the enemies of each other. क्लास के इंचार्ज ने उनको एडवाइस किया सरफराज और अहमद को कि तुम लोग जो है आज से एक दूसरे के दोस्त हो और दुश्मन नहीं हो. Then he called the medical man. उसने मेडिकल मैन को बुलाया. He bandaged Ahmed and took him to the hospital. उसने अहमद की बैंडेज किया और उसको हॉस्पिटल ले गया. So in this lesson what we have read, yes, a person, a boy, Hassan, made peace between two boys, Sarfaraz and Ahmed. Both were angry at each other because one thinks that he pushed him away and the other thinks he didn't do it intentionally, he didn't know about it. He might did it, but he's not sure of it. They were fighting and arguing, so Hassan made peace between them. So this was the situation. Mostly you have or you had this experience as at your school. All the people do when they go to school. At school we should treat each other with love and with friendly manner and good to each other. It will prevent fighting and any injury. We should treat our classmates like friends. तो आज के सबक में हमने क्या पढ़ा कि हमें अपनी क्लास में जो है अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ प्यार और मोहब्बत से रहना चाहिए, बहस नहीं करनी चाहिए, लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए, एक दूसरे की बात को बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए क्योंकि हम एक ही क्लास में पढ़ते हैं और एक दूसरे के काम आते हैं और इसी तरह क्लास का माहौल भी अच्छा रहता है. और इस तरह हमें बाकी स्कूल फेलोज के साथ भी प्यार मोहब्बत से रहना चाहिए. आपने देखा कि हसन ने किस तरह अहमद और फराज के दरमियान सुलह कराई और उन दोनों को जो है नसीहत भी की कि एक दूसरे से ना लड़ो और एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड बन जाओ. आप लोग क्या हैं, एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड हैं और दुश्मन नहीं है. इसी तरह हमें भी अपने स्कूल में अपने क्लास फेलोज के साथ प्यार से पेश आना चाहिए. Page number 34, we have a word bank here. You can find the meaning of the difficult words here in your word bank. Let's do the exercise of it. Question number 1, what was happening in the classroom? Class में क्या हो रहा था? Everybody was in hurry and wanted to go to the playground to play. Second one, what happened to Ahmed? Ahmed को क्या हुआ था? उसकी इंजरी हो गई थी और उसके सर में से खून निकल रहा था. Why did Sarfaraz and Ahmed fight each other? अहमद और सरफराज की लड़ाई क्यों हुई? ये हमने टेक्स्ट में पढ़ा है, आप वहीं से इसका आंसर ढूंढ कर लिखें. Who calmed both Sarfaraz and Ahmed down? सरफराज और अहमद की जो है सुलह किसने कराई? ये भी हमने अभी अपने टेक्स्ट में पढ़ा है, आपको इसका आंसर वहीं से मिलेगा. What did their class in charge say to them? क्लास इंचार्ज जब बाद में आया तो उसने उन दोनों को क्या कहा? Question 2, learn the words for dictation and make sentences in your notebook. आपने क्या करना है, इन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स ढूंढने हैं अपनी डिक्शनरी से और इनको अपने मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस में यूज करना और नोटबुक में लिखना है. पेज नंबर 35 of your textbook. We have been given 5 questions here and for each question we have 4 options. You have to choose the right option. Mark the right answer from the given choices. The first one has been done for you. First one is done for us. How was the class 3 coming out of classroom? Yes, out of line thi class 3. Second one, what happened to Ahmed? He jumped, he slapped, he fell on the ground, he played football. Yes, obviously he fell on the ground. Third one, what was going unnoticed? क्या चीज unnoticed थी? Sports, prayer, fight or talk? Yes, their fight. Fourth one, Hassan was coming to the classroom from what? School, hospital, garden, playground. Yes, he was coming back from playground. The fifth one, who called the medical man? Yes, the class in charge. It's the right option here. This is your class task from Summer Pack. We will read this paragraph here and you will find the answer of these questions here from this paragraph. It was a winter noon. Students were chirping like birds in the classroom. It was the time for recess. While coming out of the class 3, everyone was out of line. Meanwhile, Sarfaraz pushed Ahmed in a hurry. Ahmed fell on the ground. He got his head injured and there was some blood on it. In anger, he stood up and caught Sarfaraz by the collar. They started fighting in front of their classroom. There were a few students standing by. They tried to make them calm, but it was no avail. One of their classmates, Hassan, went close to them and separated them from each other. At the same time, their class in charge also came there. The class in charge advised them that they should be friends, not the enemies of each other. So this paragraph is from Unit 5. We have just read now. पैराग्राफ हमने पढ़ लिया है. आपने क्या करना है, इन क्वेश्चंस के जो आंसर हैं आपने इस पैराग्राफ में से ही ढूंढने हैं. एंड दिस इज योर होम टास्क. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.